Hello, my name is Nam Swissa, and I'm the Global Customer Care Manager at Maytronics. Today we'll be talking about what happens when I turn my robot on but it doesn't start its cycle. Now first off, it's important to verify that the power supply is connected to the outlet properly and that the blue cable is also connected to the power supply as it should. Afterwards, we will try and turn on the power supply and we'll take a look at the following. In case the power supply turns off by itself within a few seconds, it's possible that the problem originates there. We would disconnect the blue cable and turn only the power supply on. In case it turns on and stays on, the problem might be with the blue cable or robot itself. In case the power supply does not stay on, we would need to replace it. Moving on to the robot's checks, we will take a look at two main things. First off, we will make sure that the impeller is not clogged with debris. The next one would be taking a look at the tracks and to make sure that there is no debris or objects caught in between the tracks and the robot or the tracks and the robot's wheels. Simply take it off and remove it, and the robot should return to working properly.